I have a problem with my Samsung refrigerator here. It's set on the off position. This model is RFG299 AARS. Basically, most use a model that has the 7-inch LCD, and it went into the demo mode. So what you're going to do is, if you can see it, there's a slideshow and a lighting. You hold them both together for 3 seconds and it'll turn off the demo mode and turn back the refrigerator back on. We were trying to find it on YouTube, but nobody had this information, so I hope this helps you out. Somebody must have pressed it by accident. You know, don't hold these two buttons together because that will shut off the refrigerator. So you hold those two buttons together for 3 seconds and the refrigerator will come back on.